So hello guys, welcome back to GizAddict, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your corrupted memory card or pen drive. So let's get straight into the video. So I have a corrupted pen drive and I want to fix it. So I will insert it to my computer. So my pen drive is corrupted and it's not showing anything, and the formatting option is also not working. So now open command prompt. So to open command prompt, click on start button, then type cmd, then right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now type diskpart, then hit enter. Now type list space disk. Now disk 0 is my primary hard disk and disk 1 is my pen drive. So type select disk 1 to select the pen drive. Then hit enter. Now type clean and hit enter. Now exit the command prompt. Now open run prompt. To open it, click on window key plus R. Otherwise, right click on start button, then click on run. Now type diskmgmt.msc, then hit enter. So here is my pen drive. So right click here, then click on new simple volume, then click on next, then again click on next, then again click on next, then give it a name. Then click on next, then click on finish. Now close the disk management window. Now open this PC. Now your pen drive fixed successfully. Now you can create folder and store your data. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.